As World War II dragged on, a new enemy emerged: hunger. Bombings and blockades shattered supply lines, turning fields into battlefields and leaving millions scrambling for food. In cities like Amsterdam and Tokyo, rations dwindled to almost nothing. People grew gaunt, children wasted away, and the search for food became all-consuming. Parents watched helplessly as their children weakened, the psychological toll mounting. Desperation forced people to see their world differently. Every patch of grass, every scrap, became a potential meal. Even city parks and roadside weeds were scrutinized for sustenance. In this crucible of scarcity, human ingenuity would soon be tested as never before. With traditional food gone, ordinary people became innovators. Grass, normally animal feed, became a last hope. Humans can't digest grass, but necessity drove experimentation. Inspired by how cows eat grass, people wondered, could they unlock its nutrients another way? The answer lay in fireplace ashes, a common household waste. Mixing wood ash with water creates an alkaline solution, something many knew from soap making. If it could break down fat, maybe it could break down grass. This simple, desperate experiment would save countless lives. The process was painstaking but ingenious. First, people gathered young, tender grass and washed it thoroughly. Chopped grass went into a pot with water and wood ash, then simmered for hours. The alkaline solution broke down the tough cell walls, releasing nutrients. After boiling, the mixture was strained, discarding the fibrous pulp. The remaining liquid was rich in protein and minerals, but dangerously alkaline. To make it safe, survivors added vinegar or sour liquids to neutralize it. The result? A green, nutrient-rich broth. This kitchen table chemistry was a lifeline in a world of scarcity. The science was simple but effective. Plant cells are locked by cellulose which humans can't digest. Wood ash in water creates an alkaline solution that breaks down cellulose. Boiling grass in this solution releases proteins, vitamins and minerals. Filtering removes indigestible fibre, leaving a concentrated broth. Neutralizing with acid makes it safe to drink. This was chemistry in action, practical, life-saving and born of necessity. Even without formal training, people used intuition and observation to survive. This green broth was more than a meal. It was survival. Young grass contains surprising amounts of protein, crucial for malnourished bodies. The broth also delivered minerals like calcium and iron, and some vitamins. Wood ash added extra minerals, helping prevent deficiency diseases. While not a balanced diet, it kept immune systems functioning and bodies from wasting away. For many, this unappetizing soup was the difference between life and death. It was a testament to the power of knowledge and adaptation. Even in the bleakest times, people found a way to endure. These survival experiments happened not in labs, but in kitchens. Ordinary people became scientists, testing and refining methods with what little they had. Communities shared discoveries, what would work best, how long to boil, how to neutralize. This was science at its most grassroots, practical, collective and vital. The story shows that scientific thinking isn't just for experts. It's a human instinct woven into daily life and survival. When systems failed, people's creativity and cooperation became their greatest assets. Knowledge, shared and applied, became a powerful tool against hunger. The story of grass and ash is a lesson in resilience and ingenuity. It reminds us how quickly comfort can vanish and how vital knowledge is in crisis. These wartime techniques offer insights for modern survival and emergency preparedness. They teach us to see the world as a source of sustenance if we know how to unlock it. Above all, they honor the courage and creativity of those who endured unimaginable hardship. Their struggle is a reminder of the human cost of war and the unbreakable will to survive. Knowledge, whether scientific or practical, is our greatest ally in adversity. The legacy of grass and ash is hope, ingenuity, and the enduring strength of the human spirit.